Today's video should be the last video for this article. So this should be the final task for this article. So first I just want to add page number for this simple 2 pages article. You have to go to the insert tab and you can find here page number. So and there are some options like where you want your number to be shown, like where you want your number should be placed. This is the page number will be at the top of your page, at the bottom of your page at page margins, current position, format page number. Format page number means you can customize your own page number, like where you want to place your page number. You can format, and here is the option remove page numbers. So I'm going to add the bottom of my page, and then I want the plain number 3 at the left bottom of my page. So I'm going to add page number at the footer of my page, as you can see, at the left of my page. So okay. So as it was like selected different first page or different first page, so it is just shown at that page. It was not applicable for this page. So I'm going to apply this for this page as well. So go to the insert tab and bottom of the page, right? As you can see, now it has been shown. So if you choose the option like different first page, then the numbers will be it will just show for only a specific page. So as I have selected the different first page, so my first page was unique and there was no numbers for my first page, so I have to apply the page number for my first page. Okay, so I did that for this header, if you guys can remember from my previous video. So yeah, in this way you can add your page numbers. Okay, my font style has been changed somehow. Okay, somehow I have just clicked and font style has been changed. I want to change my font style. Sorry, so it was maybe Arabic. I can't remember what the font style was. This is fine. Yeah, this is a good font style. Clean type of style. Okay. So I have given my page numbers at the footer of my page, as you can see. So my footer. Okay. So there are many things to do, like here are some options: date and time. You can add date and time to your pages as well. So I'm going to set date and time. So Sunday, November 2021. And okay, if you click here update automatically, so whenever you enter into your this page again to edit, it will be automatically updated. And around that, I just wanna show this. Okay, as you can see, Sunday, November 2021. So as it was my first page, it was just applicable for my first page. Okay, so you can also place this in another pages as well. Sorry, so insert. Okay, in this way you can add any kind of your days or your date and days. You can add these stuffs in your pages as well. Okay, there are another thing, that is you can add any kinds of any kinds of watermark in your article, so that no one else can copy your articles thoroughly. So you can add in watermark. You can add in your company names, or you can add the you can add the publisher company's name. If you are a publisher, you can add your publisher name with a watermark. So I'm going to show you how can you add watermark in your pages. It's in the page layout tab. Go to the page layout tab and you can find this watermark. There are different styles for watermark. So this is like confidential one. This is the confidential 2. It's a horizontal text. It's like um, uh, it's not horizontal, it's angular text. It's another angular text, and it's a vertical text, horizontal text. So you can add any. So I'm going to add this one. As you can see, there is a watermark, that is don't copy. Okay. So you can edit the text of the watermark as well. Like you can, if you select your text, if you double click on your text, don't copy, double click, and you can find edit text, and you can simply change the text from here. As you can see, the text has been changed. You can change the text style as well. Resize your text. You can decrease the size by using these pointers at the this circular and this kind of pointer. You can resize your text. So this corners pointer is like this, and this is another pointers. You can resize your text. You can also make your text, like rotate your text like this, and place your watermarks anywhere else. Just simply click on your water text and place it anywhere else. I'm going to place my watermark at the footer of my article. At the footer. Okay. Yeah. So this is looking good now. You can add watermark to the every pages if you want. So I'm not going to show. I'm just simply going to, now you have to unlock this portion. Okay, so in this way you can edit your own article, design your own article using Microsoft Word very easily. I'm going to make a PDF of this article. First, I'm going to show you how can make the PDF. So there is option that is save as. Go there, and that will be saved in your documents, or you can change the location. Okay, so place a name. This was named as m, and here you can find option like save as type. So the type is initially selected as the Word document. You have to open the options and you can find the PDF option here. Okay, so PDF, and just simply click the save. So this will be saved as a PDF. Go to the document and here. So this is the final look of my PDF. I'm going to decrease the style, the size. So this is the final look of my PDF, of my own PDF that I have designed